Welcome back, everybody. Brandon Robinson here for 5150 Media. And what we have today is my new build for 2017. I've been an Apple guy. Many people have seen my setup. I've been an Apple guy for 30 years. But with the new MacBook Pros and no new desktops on the horizon, I've decided to make a switch on my main workspace to a PC. Right now you're looking at all the parts I bought from Micro Center. If you're ever, I'll put a link down below, but for some of the best prices around, Micro Center is the place to go. And right now I spent $1,300, and it's only that high because I had to buy a mouse, I had to buy a keyboard. I bought a pretty expensive one, and I bought an expensive case, which we'll start with is the NZXT Envious ATX case for $139. It's a great case. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it, and I had to have it. So we went with that. The next thing we got for processor is from AMD. AMD's processor. I got the FX 8350. Now I know people are gonna say, well, why'd you go with the 8350? Why didn't I get an Intel? Because I just wanted to give AMD a shot, and this processor was only $130, and it's 8 cores. And basically, I'm going to be waiting for Zen when it comes out later this year and do an upgrade later on. And next, I got the MSI 970 gaming board. I got that for a super steal for $39.99 with a $10 rebate. I mean, yeah, $30 for a good solid board. Can't beat that. Next up, I got the NVIDIA GeForce, not NVIDIA, excuse me, it's a gigabit GeForce GTX 1070. That was the most expensive component I bought. I got that for $399. Why didn't I go with a cheaper card? Basically for upgradability later on. I knew I was going to upgrade later on, so that's why I have the 1070. I may even buy a second 1070 later on. I got hard drives. I got 2 solid state drives, 2 1 terabyte Western Digital black drives, and 1 2 terabyte Western Digital blue drive. Then I also have a Corsair CX650M. That's all it really needs. A gigabit Force keyboard and a pretty good gaming mouse, and 32 gigs of crucial DDR3. The reason I got DDR3 is because this board only takes DDR3. So there you go. Rundown of what I got. Everything will be a link down in the description.